How to fix iPhone call volume too low. Now, there are actually two ways in order for us to fix this problem. First things first, I want you to head over to your settings, and here on your settings, you should be redirected here. I want you to go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to go ahead and look for sounds and haptics. Now here, you should be able to see here ringer and alerts or ringtone and alerts. What you can do is just basically adjust the volume here by dragging this ball icon here to the right. Now go ahead and get that done. I want you to go ahead and drag it just like so. But say for example, you have already done that one and it still doesn't work, then I want you to go ahead and try to be on call with someone. And then from here, you can just go ahead and click the buttons in here and basically adjust this one to the loudest possible. Now, after doing so, say for example, that still doesn't work, there are two other things that you can do. Number one is basically put the call on speaker. So instead of just listening it here from your phone directly, you're going to have to listen it here from your speaker down below. Now, another thing that you can do here is by using a headphone. So I know that sounds pretty inconvenient, but basically if you're going to use the headphone, it is going to amplify the sounds and you should be able to hear it easily. So yeah, I know some of you guys have been experiencing this problem. That's why you came here. And I hope these methods that I have shown you manages you to help with this problem.